Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kaizer Chiefs izodlala lapha neCongo bafethu. Ulelo Mbhele wayidlalile Orlando Pirates reactile kule match lena mebuzwa about ukuthi match izoba kanjani, izohamba kanjani. Uthi Kaizer Chiefs i-team engcono compared to AS Simba le abazodlala nayo laphana eCongo. Sikhumbule ukuthi ulelo Mbhele close to Aulilepo, bayakhuluma naye unokum-advise nje ukuthi adlale kanjani la eSouth Africa ukuthi ama-fans angamkhohlwa at all bafethu. So ukhulumile kulelo Mbhele nawo amagama wakhe just before i-match le ezodlala nge-weekend i-Kaizer Chiefs may travel yalapha eCongo. Uthi Kaizer Chiefs isade engcono kakhulu compared to le team abazodlala nayo, bane-experience kulama competition lawa ase-Africa. Uthi-ke iSimba it is the first time bedlala kule competition lena, kusho ulelo Mbhele uke wadlalela Orlando Pirates-ke, but-ke uthi lokho akusho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kumele iyithathe kancane le team le, because of i-team ngempela nayo ezozama lese ukuprove i-point. So I mean uthi-ke nabo abadlali abalaphana eCongo bazozama ngempela ukuzi-advertise noma ukuveza. So uyayibona i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke seyingayithathi light le match lena ukuthi izoba lula. I mean namanje i-Kaizer Chiefs ibona idlala ne-team yase-Angola, i-team iCabo Scope esingayazi nokuyazi, engadumanga nokuduma ebholeni lase-Angola, but guess what, bayishayile i-Kaizer Chiefs away. Home Kaizer Chiefs yawina 1-0, baya kuma-penalty, lucky enough yawina kuma-penalty Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke akumelanga bayithathe for granted, bayithathe lesi ba-underestimate le team lena, because aggression nepower abanayo laphana bazozama ukusebenzisa leyo nto leyo to their advantage overall. But-ke konke kulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi whenever they create those golden opportunities, at least bathathe half of the chances abawa-create-ayo, because i-Chiefs izowathola ama-opportunities. They have that pedigree, they have the players to compete, they have everything ku-disposal yabo bafowethu ukuthi bakwazi ngempela ukuyishaya le team le overall. So konke kulele kubo. Ngifuna ukuya baningi abantu abakhomenta nge-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona uke wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uMukete, naye-ke uthe uncome i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs igcine ama-coaches laphana, uBen noLokhunjana no-Cedric babagcinile. Obviously-ke le nto le i-create i-dialogue, especially online bafethu nakuma-publications nakumanye ama-newspaper. Abantu baya-comment, especially abantu abake badlala ibhola, ukuthi okay, Kaizer Chiefs ithathe i-wrong decision or i-right decision ukuthi bagcine lama-player labo coaches labo overall. Uthi-ke uyakhomenta-ke lana uMukete bafethu, uthi ucabanga ukuthi i-decision e-good kakhulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iqhubeka nalabo coaches laba abawu-2. Uthi-ke yena mekhuluma nje iqiniso ukuthi abe-honest, benza kahle kakhulu labo coaches lawo. So bazoqhubeka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of bona already bayawa-understand ama-players. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi bazokwazi ukuba more settled manje nama-player overall ngoba bazoba in charge isizini yonke. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi they will be able to move forward, bakwazi ukufocus-a nanokuthi-ke bathathe ama-decisions a-right, a-benefit-a i-team bafowethu. It's very important for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall ukuthi ikwazi ukuqhubeka kahle, ikwazi ukuwina, ikwazi ukudominate even nama-games laphana overall, because of doing well you have to dominate the games, yes, but at the same time you have to convert those opportunities that you get, because Kaizer Chiefs inaleyo nkinga leyo, bayakwazi ukuwa-create ama-opportunities amaningi futhi egamini, but-ke inkinga ilaphana ku-final third ukuthi abawathatha ama-opportunities. uBen noCedric obvious, okay, lento eshiwo ubaba la ngiyayizwa ukuthi methi bane-experience then bayawazi ama-player. Yes, there's an element of truth lapho, bayawazi wonke ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs, sebasebenzile now for some time, and bayazi ukuthi lesi ama-players what is their strong point or weak point, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So bazokwazi ukusebenza nama-players kangcono than ukuthi bathole ucoach manje obezoshintsha izinto overall. But at the same time ucoach one-experience, I think for mina better than labo co-coaches abawu-2. One-experience ozofika a-introduce i-winning mentality immediately, and then ozoba ne-authority laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because I mean kumele ukwazi ukulida ama-players, but most importantly not just ukuwalida, bakwazi ukuthatha i-guidance from wena, bakwazi ukukulalela as i-leader, bakwazi ukukurespecta nawe as i-coach. Hhayi ukuthi uyi-coach nje ngegama, but-ke i-respect ayikho, you can't command, you can't do anything really ngalama players lawo nawo overall. But yeah, Kuzobonakala ukuthi o-coach bazokwazi ukuyihandle i-pressure ngoba yonke into manje seyibheke bona. Ekuqaleni bebazifihla, well bebangazifihlanga bekwayi-position yabo vele laphana ukuthi babe under u-coach Nabi. Manje-ke sekuvele bona sebavelele obala. If benza kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs mhlampe izoba-renew-a, ibanike i-renewal laphana i-contract, but if they do bad, obviously-ke makuphela isizini bazohamba. They've been under u-coach Nabi, batrain u-coach Nabi ukuthi babe yile nto le abayiyo namhlanje ku-coach Nabi. And amanye ama-rumours athi baphitreye u-coach Nabi noma ngithi bamudla iy'thende. Why? Because of u-coach Nabi uyahamba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bona bayasala, baya-relax lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bayasithatha lesa sikhala saka-coach Nabi kuba esabo isikhundla. So I mean into ezinjalo uma ubheka kumele ubheke kahle kahle ukuthi okay, u-coach Nabi labantu labo bathathile wababeka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bona u-coach Nabi meyeqala ukuba ney'nkinga laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bona bayahlala. Asisho ukuthi phela nabo bekumele bahambe, but-ke I mean umuntu onilethile laphana ethimini seba nenkinga nethimu, but-ke maybe nabo babona i-opportunity bafutha ukuthi I mean bakwazi ukuthatha le moment lena because of once benza kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs and then iy'mpilo zabo sezichange forever. But-ke mebehluleka they have to go back to square one. Ubani manje u-coach ozobathatha benza ama-assistant coach babe ngaphansi kwakhe if abenzi kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje, cause igama labo nabo lizoba tainted ukuthi yilaba abarobha coach Nabi or wabatholela umsebenzi laphana e-South Africa, the next thing bona sebasala bodwa laphana. So kuzoba nzima kakhulu, but siyasibafisela inhlanhla ukuthi zonke izinto zibahambele kahle. And khona into ama-rumours bafethu aphumayo, in fact awaphumi manje, kudala ekhona. The first time when lento le ka-coach Nabi i-drop ukuthi unenkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs, waphuma amalokhunjana, i-media beyiripota ukuthi labo coach khona abantu abamudla iy'thende u-coach Nabi noma abamdlela umona, izinto ezinjalo, abamkhulume kabi ku-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi azithola kule situation le akuyo ne-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. So ekugcineni sesibona bona ba-take over. Kusho ukuthi this is confirmed in a way ukuthi okay, yibo labantu laba abawu-2 abenza ukuthi u-coach Nabi agcine esehambile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously kukhuluma izinto mhlampe iy'mfihlo zaka-coach Nabi asazi bafowethu. Just ama-speculations but bewakhona ku-media immediately u-coach Nabi meyeqeda ukulokhunjana ukuba ney'nkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa uzo-sideline kwasha kwacima, kwaphuma-ke lezo zinto lezo ukuthi khona abafuna u-coach Nabi ehambile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe nabo bebabheke babheke amasayidi wabo ukuthi okay, makungahamba u-coach Nabi i-Kaizer Chiefs, maybe masingaveza lokhu ngo-coach Nabi i-Kaizer Chiefs izosinika umsebenzi permanent. Guess what? Basele bona. Ithiwani-ke lento le masiyibheka bafethu overall, cause in a way it shows ukuthi iyasho in a way ukuthi okay, laba bebakhona bafika no-coach Nabi, but-ke ekugcineni nangu uNabi ulokhunjani usala, uyahamba bona bayasala, but bona bafika no-coach Nabi. So singayirida the way siyirida ngakhona, but you cannot be 100% sure ukuthi vele kwenzakala kanje. Yibo abamlimaza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamkhulume kabi ku-management kwasha kwacima, but-ke konke lokho sekuphelile bafowethu. Into ekumele yenzeke nje manje ukuthi labo coach laba abaphethe ku-Kaizer Chiefs or abanikwe i-opportunity laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukutholela i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-result, cause yibo manje abanikwe lo msebenzi lo mkhulu waku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babe ama-head coaches. Sibafisela inhlanhla overall. Kaizer Chiefs versus Simba kaze iyozala nkomo ngempela because it's not gonna be easy ukudlala e-Africa.